Hi, I'm Makiko Tsuda. Continuing from last week, we're bringing you the program from the Bridgestone Innovation Gallery in Kodaira City, Tokyo. Now this time we'll be learning about the future envisioned by one of the largest tire makers in the world. Showing us around is Hidenobu Mori, the director of the Bridgestone Innovation Gallery.
Mr. Mori, thank you for showing us around again.
My pleasure.
I understand this facility has tires of the future. May I have a look?
It's that way. Let me take you. This is the Bridgestone Innovation Gallery, where visitors can learn about the company's history and tires. This section introduces some of their latest initiatives. Bridgestone is developing tires that can be used on the surface of the moon. This tire is being tested on Earth and is about half the size of the actual one, but we have the actual one over there. The Lunar Tire is about 1.5 meters in diameter. As it will be used on the moon's surface, it's made not from rubber, but metal.
This looks a bit different. What kind of tire is it?
This is called a wireless charging tire. Its mechanism is a bit different from that of tires currently used on electric vehicles. For example, coils will be embedded in the road 20 to 30 meters from stoplights, and electricity will be wirelessly transferred from them. The electricity is captured by a receiver and powers a motor within the tire to move the vehicle. Cars typically have a big engine, but that will no longer be necessary.
So, it's a tire to capture electricity on its own to move the car?
Yes, but naturally there are challenges, namely infrastructure. It's necessary to acquire approval from the government to install those coils under roads. So we at Bridgestone are also working hard to take on this challenge. And on the second floor is a section introducing technologies currently being developed by Bridgestone. Here we briefly introduce the reuse and retreading of tires. Naturally, the surface of tires is worn down as you drive. So we want to replace those sections to reuse the tires. But ultimately, tires need to be disposed of. And Bridgestone is taking on the challenge of addressing issues beyond that. Tires are made with natural or synthetic rubber. Through a process called pyrolysis, they can be turned into oil, charcoal, or gas, which can then be used to make tires again. Or oil that's purified for other uses. We're also taking on these difficult challenges. They say this gallery is actually a part of a multi-purpose complex called Bridgestone Innovation Park that's designed to create new value for society and customers. This Kodaira area is positioned as the global innovation hub of Bridgestone. The gallery is meant to showcase Bridgestone's ideas, which are then developed together with our supporters at the Innovation Center, called B Innovation, to be completed right beside this facility. What's produced there will then be immediately tested at a test center beside that called B Mobility. So this place will play the role of the very first touch point.
The Bridgestone Innovation Park is a center where the tire maker is carrying out some of its cutting-edge initiatives, and we may see some new technologies coming out of this place in the future.